In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a combination exercise. And a combination exercise is where we put two individual exercises together to make one fluid movement. In this tutorial, we're putting together the hammer curl movement with a neutral shoulder press. So firstly, let's go through the hammer curl and then we'll go through the shoulder press, how they're both put together. So what we're going to do first is I'm going to pick up my dumbbells that I'm using. And what I want you to appreciate in terms of the start position is I've got my feet hip width apart. And if you're somebody with rounded shoulders, I want you to bring your shoulders back for the start position where you're going to do your hammer curl. So the hammer curl is a bicep movement, but it also incorporates the muscles of the forearm. So what you're going to do is I want you to imagine you're trying to bring the weight up, but in the position of your thumb coming up towards your body. So you're bending your elbow, the shoulder stays still, the shoulder doesn't come up at this point. You do your repetition by thinking, okay, if I was to make a thumbs up position, that's the position in which I'm coming up. My thumb is coming up to the ceiling. From there, once you've got thumbs up, what I then want you to do is I want you to then bring your elbows up. So you'll notice I'm still tucked into the side here. Elbows come up. Once I'm in this position, I'm now going to do a neutral shoulder press, which means a shoulder press with my elbows in and my palms facing each other. So I then come up, back down, elbows down, but I've got my elbows now into the rib cage and back down. So let's go through that all over again, but now fast. So we've got the hammer curl first, thumbs up, I bend the elbows, elbows up, straight up into your shoulder press. Now, once you do it fast, it will look like this in terms of more fluid, and you're working again your forearms and biceps in that hammer curl movement, and then your shoulders are working in the shoulder press or the shoulder neutral press motion. Every time you come all the way up and back down, that's one repetition, and you would repeat this for your desired amount of sets and reps.